we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, as we can see, based on 1 hour chart, we get this drop. That's why, I mean, the price. That's why when in my last video, the price was here, we mentioned those, because we had a trade from here. Those people that are trade from here, they have to protect the trade because of this. That's why I was keep mentioning what we have here, may it can repeat for the next move. Before we go, we look for buy. That's why I was, when the price was here, I mentioned wait for trade setup, wait for correction. Okay, no, the question is how deep this one can go. Can even this one can be another correction for one move down? Yes, it's still possible, because right now, even if you want to buy, this one is not a buy setup. Okay, now we're looking for buy. The only thing is we want to see how deep it can go. Okay, whether it can break this one or not. I don't think this one can. I mean, we don't need to wait this one to break before we get the buy. Any buy setup, whether from here right now we don't have it, or next drop we can look for buy, because right now we have this one. But the possibility the price can come to this, change this one to the expanding, also is there. Okay, no. That's why when the price was here, again, I highlight for those traders that are in the trade, they should manage the trade. Okay, everything's about the short-term trader. We are not talking about the investment. All right, because some of the people, they just pump the money and they want to keep it for long term. This is not for them. This is for those people that trade. Okay, to at least protect their trade and their account. Okay, now based on 15 minutes also, we don't have any trade setup. If anyone wants to trade based on the lower time frame, okay, and if anyone trade this one in case with this, which is another good idea, I think they should protect. Even this one continue, we shouldn't risk it. Okay, now we don't have any trade setup, and the only thing says, if I move to 1 hour chart, we want to see whether this one can give one move down before we take the buy, or here maybe after a few hours we get the buy setup, we take it with this top, we start to manage it. Okay, and if we refer to the, all right, this thing show the divergence when the price was here. And if I move to daily, nothing. If I move to forward chart, no much different. This is what we have been looking based on 1 hour chart. And if we get the buy from here, we expect the price when the price to this level, not exactly maybe a bit higher or lower, but when the price come here, we go for this, may we get the second correction. Okay, anywhere between these two, we cannot confirm right now because it all depends on what we get here. But what I want to say, when you get the price after the breakout of this, we should be aware of for next correction. But all depends on what we will get from here. Now I cannot confirm it, because if this is the only one, for sure when the price come to this level, we go for the second one. If it keep the ways moving similar to what we have here, one, this one, this, because the next move, if we get, mostly if it moves to the correction, it can give us a bigger correction. How big, we are not sure. We don't need to talk about all these things. Anyway, we're looking for buy. Whether we get this one as a one move down, we take the buy, or from here, any of them we take it. But right now we don't have any buy setup. We need to wait and see whether how we can trade it. Any buy setup, again, with this level, when the price come to this level, we start to manage. How about if the prices start to move similar to what I draw here without any buy setup? Then it depends on the traders. I don't think when we don't have the buy setup, we cannot buy it. Okay, anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update or trade that we could take it, then I will share on YouTube. Thanks.